Look at guys, what's inside the ball? Daiso clay, yes. What is up guys, welcome back to this Slimeatory. Yeah. Okay guys, so today I am really searching for the perfect butter slime recipe, guys. So I know, one second, okay. Butter slime is a very, very popular slime and it is really, really nice, really soft, and it is like so satisfying. But I feel like not everybody knows how to do it yet, and I even looked on YouTube for like butter slime recipes for this video, but I ended up going on Instagram. But there's not a lot of recipes on butter slime, like actual butter slime recipes. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to step in and I'm going to get recipes and test them out for a perfect butter slime recipe. And for those of you who don't know how to make butter slime, if you're having a hard time, it's just Daiso clay. That's all you need to know. Slime and Daiso clay. And then when you put other stuff in it, it just changes the texture and stuff like that, so yeah. And today's segment challenge is gonna be China vs. Lego with your... Okay, I know. You guys have to turn around, put your hands behind your back, and then get your thumb, and you have to press the like button like that. Can you guys do it? I don't know. Okay, let's get straight on into the video, yo. So this first one is from yum.slime. So yeah, on Instagram, so credit to them. So first you're gonna get some Elmer's glue. Well, I'm pretty sure you can use any glue you want. Well, not any glue, but most glues. Okay, I'm gonna put some food coloring really quick. Okay, then you're gonna need some lotion. So we're just gonna put that much lotion. By the way, guys, I got this lotion from the dollar store, and I actually, it's not really good for making slime softer, but it's really good for like just giving it a good texture. I don't know if I am making sense, but yeah. Okay, then you need some shaving cream. So I think just like a little bit like that. And then it's some foam soap, but I only have hand soap right now, so I think it's like almost the same thing. I'm just gonna mix it a lot, and hopefully it'll be foam soap. Okay, so we just mix it really quick. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and activate this now. So let's just put a little activator. We just do a little magic on this. Ta-da! Okay guys, here's the slime. I use my magical abilities, nothing else. This is actually pretty nice slime, just in general, just saying. I did leave it a little bit sticky because you have to do that for butter slime because the clay is a little bit drying. Hey guys, don't know yet, this is the clay you're supposed to use. You can just go on Amazon and type in Daiso clay. It's kind of spelled Daiso, so it's D-A-I-S-O, but it's called Daiso. Don't say it wrong because everybody will attack you for it. Okay, so here's the clay, guys. It is like the best clay ever. All right, let's do some Daiso mixing. I love Daiso mixing. So here's the butter slime, guys. It's pretty good, but I don't know. I mean, well, actually, no, it's nice. I like it. It's like light and very buttery. But anyways, here it is. Look at how nice that is, guys. Oh, this is so nice. Okay, well that is it for this one. I'm gonna go ahead and give this one a 10 out of 10. I think it's really nice, it's super stretchy, really like airy. I don't know about you guys, but like I've gotten some butter slimes that are very kind of like light, and I've never been able to do that. And this one's kind of like halfway there, but I haven't still been able to get that light butter slime. Okay, let's get on to the next recipe. This next one is from slime.pups on Instagram, so make sure you guys check out their Instagram and credit to them anyways. So first you're gonna get some glue. Okay, then some foam soap. This time I decided to add some water into my hand soap because I felt like it would be more like foam soap. I don't know if you guys can see, but the foam soap is really like just watery watery soap, but like the little thingy on it, the little squirter, that's what makes it foam. So I think if I mix this, it'll become foam soap. So then some food coloring, baby oil, and some shaving cream. I think that should be good. And let's start mixing. Okay, I think I'm all done. Now I'm gonna go ahead and add the activator. Should I use my magical abilities, guys? Again, what did I say? Should I use my magic abilities, guys? Okay. Ta-da! Okay, I'm all done with this slime, guys. I think it's pretty good. It feels like if I would put foam soap, I think. I did leave it a little bit sticky for the clay. But yeah, there it is. Okay, let's add the clay now. I love how smooth and soft this clay is, guys. By the way, if you guys can't find Daiso clay, you can also use soft air dry clay. I think that's what it's called. Now let's squish it. What should I do, guys? I think I'm gonna put a tiny layer of it. And there we go. This one's nice, guys. This one feels a little bit more heavy, I think. I feel like, I don't know. But like, it's very kind of like doughy, like kind of batter, I don't know, like brownie batter type deal. Versus this one is more, yeah, this one is more like light and dry, kind of, you know. But it's still really nice. This one is kind of more like ice cream. That one's more like taffy. There it is, guys. But yeah, I really like this one. This one is really nice. So far, this is my favorite one, the green one, because it's very light. But if you guys like a thicker, heavier butter slime, this is the way to go. Okay, and let's try the next one. The next one is from Starbucks.slime, so make sure you guys check their Instagram out and credit to them. So first we're gonna start with some glue, like always. Lotion, put some lotion. Okay, I'm gonna put a little bit of blue, yellow food coloring, not yet blue. Okay, let's put a little bit of shaving cream. Cornstarch is our main ingredient for this one. Oh my god. Just put some of that cornstarch. There we go, I think that's good. Let's start mixing. I got the cornstarch is getting everywhere. I like using cornstarch, guys, but like, I don't like that I can't really stir very fast with it because it like goes everywhere. Okay, I'm all done with this slime. It's very clicky. Okay, now we're gonna go ahead and add the clay. This time, I'm gonna try a little bit of different ASMR. Never really seen it, but I just thought about it. I thought it would be cool if I like just did that. Look how beautiful. What if I just like squish it in there? Look at guys, what's inside the ball? Daiso clay, yes! There it is, guys. Okay, here it is, guys. This one seems a little bit more stiff and like heavy and dense than like all the other ones. This one doesn't have foam soap in it though, so maybe that's something. Maybe a foam soap helps it. So that was it for that one. So far my favorite still is gonna be the green one. That one is really nice. Last one, guys, is slime.tutorials _101. So credit to them. So first they put glue. Okay, I think that's good. Lotion. And then also some baby oil gel, but I don't have any of that right now, so I'm just gonna be using baby oil, and I feel like that's the same. Basically the same. Okay, I'm gonna make this one blue. Okay, add some activator. So we're all done with this slime, guys. This one seems thinner. I don't know how. I'm gonna put cubes this time. Okay, here's the slime, guys. I have little cubes now. Here it is, guys. Oh my god, this one's nice. Okay, this one kind of has like the same texture as the yellow one. Let me see. Yeah. So this one is like lighter but less stretchy, and this one is heavier. Oh, I don't know. Okay, guys, I don't know. This one's very soft and very stretchy. They have like little tiny differences. So let me just. This one's really, really heavy and really stretchy and really soft. This one is kind of like heavy, but like not that stretchy. And this one is kind of light, but not that stretchy. This green one, guys, is very nice and light and soft and stretchy. This is my favorite one. Like, I really like it. I recommend doing this one. This one for me is the perfect butter slime recipe. I feel like this is what I was searching for. You guys comment down below what you like the best and what you think is the best, and also if you are gonna do the recipes. And yeah, before you guys go, I'm gonna do a slime smoothie. We haven't done that in a while, I don't think. So we're gonna slime smoothie now. Okay, so here's the blue one, guys. This one's very thick and it's not that stretchy. It's kind of like a batter, kind of like a brownie batter, I guess. So we're gonna put that one right there. This one is my favorite. This one's like a Laffy Taffy type slime. It's like very light and very stretchy. Put that right there. This one is really, really nice too. It's kind of like a batter, but a butter at the same time. Batter butter. And then this one is kind of like just heavy, but like not that stretchy. I don't know. Let's go ahead and mix them now. This is so gorgeous, guys. It's like so pretty. Okay, you guys make sure you take screenshots and post it on Instagram and then tag me on it. And let's get started. Okay. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Oh my god, this is so freaking pretty, guys. Look at how gorgeous that is, guys. I can't even with this one. This one is gorgeous. This is probably gonna be my favorite slime smoothie, guys. Okay, this didn't turn into such a bad color. This is kind of like cake batter. Okay, well that guys, you guys comment down below what you think is the perfect butter slime recipe, or if you have some butter slime recipes, I could do like a subscriber's butter slime recipe and I'll like review them. And yeah, that's cool. Don't forget to press the like button and press that subscribe button. And that is it, guys. Love you so much, and I really hope I see you next time. Bye.